Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to learn how to make grids or grid lines in Revit 2020 in 5 or so minutes. Let's start. So first you need to choose the template you want to use. For instance, if you want to do grids in a structural drawing interface or in a architectural drawing interface, you will have to choose one. So for this case, let me use the structural template to explain how you can make a simple grid line. So it's gonna take a while because currently the program is heavy. So the first thing to do once you have your template, you need to, there are two ways you can decide on how to make a grid. First, you can just choose in your upper right corner grid and do your random grids just like that by clicking the starting point and end point. Okay, you can also do a vertical one. So in case you're wondering how could you just start doing grid lines, that was just you can also, that was just general information on how you can do a grid line. So you can also do curved grids, yeah, in whichever direction you want. Yes, etc, etc. You can use a 3-point by choosing here, or you can click here only just to pick lines and make your grid lines. So as if that is not enough, I'll take you to the second way. So I'm gonna delete this. That was easy because you're not following any print or any wall or another structural layout or architectural layout. So assuming you have an architectural plan whereby you want to generate your structural drawings from, what you're gonna need to do is to come to wall, click, you can just do a random structure dimensions. So for the purpose of just explaining that, how you can just do grids in Revit. So assuming this is your structure, then now you can just go to architectural. On your left, on your right upper corner, you can see some pop-up there, show which contains grids. So just click there, come here. Just before you click anywhere, you can just place your cursor outside the wall which you want to put grids. You'll see that the cursor will just snap into the wall center line. So you can click there and extend your line, your grid, so that you can create your grids. Click here. You're supposed to click this ball here and drag to here. Okay. If you hold, you click there and hold, you'll be able to move with the line whichever direction without a problem. So this is grid 1. You can continue doing the same, or if you have the dimensions, for separation of these walls, you just need to copy at the distance that you will be given there. So what I'm gonna do, just click on this grid. I know center to center of the grid lines is 5,000, so I'll just come here, offset. Want to offset the grid line through 5,000 and click here. So it's saying that the highlighted wall overlaps. I don't know why. So if that one is not working, then you can just click there on that grid and come here, copy through 5,000, enter, and you'll just have your grid. And just repeat the same procedure. Come here, copy 3,000, just offset 3,000, and you're good. And of course you can offset 9,000 so that you can have your grids ready to run. The same way, go back to architectural, click grid, and put it on. Don't just click, just put it on top of the wall you want to. On the wall you want to put grids on. Then you can just click outside and drag on the other far end. Yeah. Of course, we said for if you want this one, you can change and call it A. You can label it differently because it's on the it's why it's on the different axis. So if you click on top of it, there is this pop up here. Click there, you'll be able to have a balloon on both sides. And of course, to replicate the grid along the structure, you only need to know the dimensions. You need to know the structural dimensions, and you'll be good. You'll be good to do your dimensioning. So here, as you can see, the grid line is about 9,000. So I'll just click here, copy the right 9,000. So up here, you can see if you want to copy so many times, so that you don't have to click copy, you can just click multiple and then enter. It will just go there. The next one, you'll just look at this. You see, it has given you the option of copying multiple grids. So what you need to know is how far to copy it. So it's 8,000. You can click there, and the other one is 9,000. You can also click there, and you are good to go. There you have your grids. So if I wanted to have a curved grid here, I'll just come to grids. Let's try this and see. Grids. Click here, starter point, end point, and of course drag this like this, and then you should have obtained your grid. So I'm gonna pull the grid out so that can give a space on the structure so that it doesn't overlap, doesn't cover where we're working. So unfortunately this one has to lie along the grid, because of the long distance here. So far so good. You have your grid lines here. Thank you. So let's look out for the next tutorial on how to make a foundation layout. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.